commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for Union, southeastern Jackson, Alexander, Scott, south central Wayne, Stoddard, Butler, and southeastern Cape Girardeau counties. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Goreville to near Charleston to Parma to near Fisk to near Culin, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, spotters and automated weather observation stations indicated winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour and widespread wind damage over parts of southeast Missouri into southwest Illinois. Flooding is also occurring due to the torrential rainfall. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Carbondale, Poplar Bluff, Sykeston, Dexter, Scott City, Anna, Chaffee, Carroll, Bernie, Bloomfield, Jonesboro, Warren, Benton, Trail of Tears State Park, Lake Wapapalo State Park, Cobden, Tuxico, Dongola, and Morley. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Butler, Cape Girardeau, Scott, Stoddard, and Wayne, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Jackson, and Union. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number